Hello student, in this video we are going to discuss the third method of reconstruction of partnership. The name of method is distribution of reserves and accumulated profits. In standard 11 we have seen that reserves and accumulated profit. Reserve means amount retained in the business for future contingencies, like that general reserve, contingency reserve, workman accident compensation fund, investment fluctuation fund. They are reserves. And accumulated profit means balance of profit and loss account. So at the time of reconstruction of partnership, these reserves and accumulated profits are distributed among old partner in their old profit sharing ratio. Students, remember that sometime a question asked in examination, that is reserve and accumulated profit distributed between old partner in which ratio. So remember that reserve and surplus distributed between old partner in their old profit sharing ratio. From this method, generally a question of 3 marks asked in board examination. Let us understand how to distribute reserves and accumulate profit between partner. Here some example of reserves are given, right? They are reserves and accumulated profit. Your first is profit and loss account. Profit and loss account is the example of accumulated profit. Profit and loss account has credit balance or maybe debit balance. So here we assume that profit and loss account has a credit balance. So this reserve distributed between partner in their profit sharing ratio, old profit sharing ratio. So profit and loss account has a credit balance, and if you distributed or close the reserves account, then reserve account is debited. So journal entry is profit and loss account debited to old partner capital oblique current account. Second reserve is general reserve. General reserve also has credit balance. So general reserve close. When general reserve close, general reserve should be debited. So general reserve account debit to old partner capital account. Capital reserve has credit balance, so it should be debited. So capital reserve account debit to old partner capital account. Reserve fund, same. All reserves have credit balance, and if you want to close reserve account, they should be debited. So reserve fund account debited, contingency reserve account debited to old partner capital account, workman accident compensation fund account debited. Workman accident compensation fund is kept by partnership firm to compensate any loss relating to workers by accident. So it is a reserve. Workman accident compensation fund debited. Investment fluctuation fund is a reserve. Investment fluctuation fund is created to compensate any loss against the investment value. If the value of investment decrease, this loss compensated by investment fluctuation fund account. So all reserves accounts are debited to old partner capital account oblique current account. And again remember that this reserve distributed between partner in their old profit and loss ratio. Understand? So this is first entry. Sometime in an example, if there is a debit balance of P&L account is given. Debit balance of P&L account means accumulated loss, right? So in that case, you have to remember inverse entry. Means debit balance of P&L account should want to close, so it should be debited. It should be credited, and old partner's account debited. So journal entry is old partner capital account debit to profit and loss account debit balance. Sometime other fictitious asset means deferred revenue expenses are also given in the example. For example, advertisement, account, research and development account, they are fictitious asset. They are deferred revenue expense. They have debit balance, and if we want to close this debit balance, then they are credited and old partner's capital account debited, right? So journal entry is old partner capital account debit to P&L account, to advertisement company expenditure account, to research and development account. They are also distributed between partner in their old profit sharing ratio. In short, reserves and accumulated profit or debit balance of P&L account and fixed assets all are distributed between partner in their old profit sharing ratio, right? Just repeat. In first entry we have seen that reserves and accumulated profits are given. They have credit balance, and at the time of reconstruction they are closed. Close means they are debited and partners capital account credited. P&L account debit balance, advertisement company and research and development expense, they have debit balance. So at the time of reconstruction they are credited. So partner capital account debited. Understand? In next lecture we will calculate practical example of reconstruction of partnership by distribution of reserve and accumulated profit and loss. Okay, thank you very much.